Hey everybody, today I will be showing you guys 5 different packs of Rainbow Loom bands. They're all from the Medieval collection. There's navy blue, turquoise, pink, red, and lime. I got all of this in like a set basically from Amazon that's from the actual Rainbow Loom store that's on Amazon. 5 packs of bands and then a metal tipped hook and a mini loom. It was $10 for the whole little kit. If you buy that stuff separately off of the Rainbow Loom website, it would retail around $16, so you end up saving roughly $6. So overall, I do recommend getting kit thingies like those sets off of Amazon, although they do only have like a very select few sets. So I will just let these videos go and these pictures go showing the different colors and everything up close in detail. And then at the end of this video, there will be pictures of a bunch of different bracelets that I made using these bands. So I highly recommend you stay tuned for that because those bracelets turned out super cool.